Hayaan mong ibalik kita sa lumang musika habang tinutugtog itong kanta.
Sana pagsibol ng pag-ibig natin.
Hi, husband. Nax, my husband.
Sarili mo sinta, matagpuan ang kulay ng mundo mong nawala. Muling maipinta ngiti mo kay ganda.
I will always be thankful to you for letting me be, for letting me feel that I am enough. For once, I am loved for who I am and not for what I can give or my potentials.
Matagpuan ang kulay ng mundo mong nawala. Muling maipinta ngiti mo kay ganda. At sa sumibol na pag-ibig nating dalawa, nahanap ang
Sa tagal-tagal na naging hintayan nating love, this time, hindi na ako maghihintay. Kahit malate ka pa, dalawa na tayong malate. Thank you for loving me this much. Sino bang mag-aakala na yung dati ko lang tinatalikuran sa office, kahit katabi ko pa sa table, at sinasabihan na ayaw kita kausap sa pantry, ay forever ko na lagi makakausap at kasama humarap sa buhay, sa hirap at ginhawa.
Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you.
Thank you for giving me this kind of wedding. I know na from the start, parang ito na yung nilook forward mo. And we're finally here. Thank you, love, kasi despite nung mga challenges and recently lang din, conflicts, nandito pa rin tayo.
All that we have is each other now.
Mamaya talagin nyo. Feeling ko malilito pa siya kung kailan ang bansari namin.
Kailan anniversary natin?
Interview kanina na eh. Kailan nyo yun? I think Jan 31. February 1.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Love, thank you for loving me and giving me this kind of wedding. Thank you for loving me and my family despite. And love, I love this peace that we have and I promise to protect that. I promise to love you kahit na nakakainis ka talaga minsan. Pero alam ko kung kaya kong tawanan yan because I love you so much. I love you, love. I love you.
Sa unang pagkikita, di makapaniwala sa tagay mong ganda. At di ko akalain ako ay mabighani.
always have this mindset of everything will turn out okay. You always see a light of hope in every situation. Seeing this in you somehow makes me feel hopeful that I have this person to share my future with. I love you. I love you, Lem.
Ay nakatingin